Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 1 of Vlogtober. We're gonna do this. We're gonna try our best to complete this challenge. Today I'm going to the post office. I finally got a handful of orders on my Poshmark and one on eBay. So the last 2 weeks I've been trying to list daily at least one, share my closet 3 times a day, just get that activity up to trigger sales, and I think it's finally happening. So the first one that I'm dropping off is this bundle of t-shirts, which I've had for a while. I accepted an offer and those are going out. And then perfect for Vlogtober, this Ouija board skirt from Unique Vintage. You guys, I found this back in April for the Buffalo Exchange Earth Day sale. So $1 into $25. That's not bad. And then I had a vintage hat that sold on eBay. So I'm gonna drop these off at the post office, and then I'm gonna give you a little treat. I'm gonna take you with me to Disneyland for a few hours. I'm gonna use my self-admit pass to just walk around for a bit. I'm also shopping. I'm looking for this sweater that went viral on TikTok. We had some in stock last night and we were allowed to do cash purchases, but my dum-dum completely forgot my credit card and I forgot my phone. I left my phone in my locker, and our lockers are far away from the stage, so I wasn't able to make the purchase. So hopefully they still have some today. If not, it's totally cool. I also wanted to get the Maleficent horns. They were sold out, but I saw yesterday we had a few on stage, so hopefully they still have some today and I'll get those. So yeah, let's get this vlog started. I found it, but of course it was not in my size, so I got it anyway. And then I did find the Maleficent horns. I've been wanting these since July, and what I've learned is to just get them. If you see something you like, get it. So here's some of the Halloween merch that's left in the store. A lot of Hocus Pocus, and then the Mickey pumpkins. Now we're gonna walk over into the park, and the parade was happening, so everything was blocked out. So I just decided to take the train. And when I come by myself, these are the things that I like to do. I like to just stroll around Main Street. I like to ride the train, do all the kiddie rides, because nobody likes doing that when I come in a group. They want to do all the fast rides, and I'm a grandma. I like riding the train and the monorail, and it's a small world. So that's what I like to do when I'm in parks by myself, and of course, eat. So I went and I got a turkey leg. I know it doesn't look appetizing, but I'm trying to do keto, so it's like high protein, low carb. And the turkey leg was not bad. I started to dip it in some buffalo sauce, and it was actually pretty good. And so I was able to do a high protein, low carb meal at Disneyland and wash it all down with a Coke Zero. Yum. I love it. And I'm so glad that the monorail is up and running again, because I'm going to ride it back to the parking lot.
Out of my way. Our day has got worse. Your allegiance can be with a first order. Be careful, citizen. Control yourself. Move aside!
So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the Stormtroopers and a few hours in Disneyland. I got all my shopping done. Right now they're doing Hispanic Heritage Month in downtown Disney, so they have a lot of cool bands and mariachis, so it's a nice time to stop by the parks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more Vlogtober. Bye!